Again, welcome back students. In previous video, you learned concept of Python theoretically. Now, in this video, you learn concept practically. Okay. When you start Python programming language, follow the link given on book page number 95. Then your Python window just like this. This is a Python version. Now, this is interactive mode of Python programming language. Why this called interactive? Because when you press anything, when you write any statement, you can get instantly output of your statement. You can get instantly output of your statement. Suppose this is interactive mode. 3. You can also say Python shell. Now some experiment 10, then 20. You can see here is output, then 50 divided by, here is forward, here forward slash, this is forward slash used for division. 50 divided by 2, you can get output 6 into 3 minus 5. You can get output now with variable a equal 50, b equal 30. Now c equal a plus b. Now c, write c, then press enter. 80. Now you want this with message, then must use function print function given on page number 96. Print sum of, firstly print, then start small bracket, then inverted comma or quotation mark, sum equal comma, then your contained variable name. Here c contained value of a plus b, then comma c. You can get this type of output with expression sum 80. This is print function. Now when here is separator with print function, you can use comma. You already know comma. This is comma providing a space after your message. Now slash n for new line. Suppose you want to print your output from new line. So see, print answer equal slash n, then comma c. So you can get here answer and new line output. Slash n for new line. Okay. Slash t. Now print, what is the happened? Print slash t for tab. Slash t means bun tab, and bun tab equal 5 space. Here total equal, then slash t equal inverted comma close comma c. You can get total 5 space key, then total 80. This is horizontal tab. This exercise given on page number 96. Now this is total window is known IDLE, integrated development environment for editing and running Python. Here you can develop Python statement, run Python statement, and editing is also possible. That's why this is known as IDLE. Now script mode. This is interactive mode of Python. Now script mode of Python. In interactive mode, you write only one statement, then execute. Now, when you want to execute more than one statement at a time, then use script mode. How to open script mode? Firstly, move on File tab. Here is a option New. Here is a option New and type your program. Suppose A equal 60, B equal 30, C equal 35 or 34. Now average ABG for average, this is variable name. ABG, this is variable name, equal A plus B plus C divided by 3 and put bracket here. This is for average. What is the formula to find average? Total of values divided by number of value. Here 3 value, then total of these 3 value and divided by 3. Now print average equal comma, which variable contain this output? ABG. Here remember, here value must shift right to left, here ABG. Now firstly save. When you want to run a program in script mode, firstly must save this file, save, your particular name average, then click save. Extension of Python program .py, save. Here you can see .py, average.py. Now move on, run. You can run this program by clicking on run module or press shortcut key F5. You can see this is average.py output, average equal 41.33336. Okay, this is working on script mode. Here A, B, C, these are all variable. These are all variable. Now variable, ABC are variable. You already learn ABC variable and rules to write a variable. Already learn variable must, first character of the variable must alphabet, special symbol not allowed, first letter must be alphabet, special keyword reserved in Python like that if, minimum, these are not allowed. Now data type, working with data type. Python use three types of data type: integer, float and string. Integer store positive or negative value, whole number value. Float represent floating point values, and string combination of more than one character. Now move on page number 100. Type function. Type function, by the use of type function you can get data type of your value. Data type or your value. Here see, here you use three variable A, B, C. Now you want to type, find out type, data type of variable C, then type is a function, it returns the data type of value. So type C, you can get data type. C is integer type variable. Now you type here M equal in inverted comma. When you want to use string data type, then string data type must save in quotation mark symbol. Must save in quotation mark symbol. Here Mahabharat. Inverted comma close. Now you want to data type of M, type M. You can see this is string data type. String means text data type. Now input function. You can input your value by the use of input function. Input function provide input value. But remember this thing, input function always treat every value as a string. Here you can see with example. Firstly, file, open. Here is a function program already available, some program. Here A equal input, enter first number, B equal input, enter second number. Now C equal A into B. Now C. Now run this program. This is already saved, run module. Now enter first number 7, second number, press enter key, second number, output 7 into 8 56. But here is error because input function treat this as a string. A is string and B is also a string. When you want to run this program, you must use other function that is given on page number 101, int and float function. Now you want to run this program, close this, then use int function, int function convert string value into integer. Now float function convert string value into decimal or float number. Now firstly save. When you want to run any program, firstly save. Now click run, then run module. Now see, restart, enter first number 5. Now 6, you can get output 30.0. Now you can get this thing. Now page number 101, page number 101. Output of uses of operator. Now uses of operator. Arithmetic, you already arithmetic operator. What is the meaning of operator? Operator operates two operand. Here suppose you write 2 plus 3. 2 and 3 is operand and plus it is operator. And output 5. Here various operator given, arithmetic operator plus, minus, into, division and exponential and modulus operator. These are all arithmetic operator. Suppose with practical exponential operator. What is the meaning of exponential? To find the power of the numbers. Suppose here you write 2, then double star indicate exponential means power. 2 double star 3 meaning 2 to the power 3, then 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, then output 8. This is exponential operator. Okay, practice this. Now string operator, page number 102. String operator, there is two type of string operator, plus and star. Plus and star. What is the meaning of plus? Plus operator concatenate two string, means merge two strings. Suppose you write a, now not always time a, k equal, suppose here you write r equal ram. This is a string, and n equal string data must write in quotation mark or inverted comma, in. Now uses of plus operator combine string, then R plus N. You can see get output Ramayan. Plus operator combine or concatenate this thing. Now replication operator repeat a string for a number of times. Here R equal Ram, you want to repeat Ram 3 times, then R star here for when you use star in a string operator, this is replication, repeat string given time, given values. So here 3 times, you can see Ram 3 times. Okay. Now assignment operator equal a equal 5, here equal is assignment operator, here equal operator assign value 5 into variable a. Now logical operator, when you use if condition or conditional statement, then you can see uses of logical operator and or not. Suppose now listen, when you want to listen this thing clearly and focusedly, you can get easily all things. Must listen carefully. Okay. Now move on page number 104, comments in Python programming language. What is the meaning of comment? Comments are the statements that are added to a program with the purpose of making the code easier. With the purpose making the code easier to understand. Compiler or interpreter generally ignore comment during the execution. Here what is meaning? When you write comment in program, you show only your comments, you see comment only you, but in your output these comments will not see. Means जब आप कमेंट प्रोग्राम में लिखेंगे तो आप केवल प्रोग्राम के अंदर ही उसका इफेक्ट देखेंगे, ये आपके आउटपुट में शो नहीं होंगे. See file open. Here is program, some program open. Now you want to comment. There is two types of comment, single line comment and multi-line comment. Firstly, single line comment has symbol used to write single line comment. This program for multiplication. So here write a program for multiplication of two numbers. Then file, save, run module. You can see write a program, these write a program not visible in output. Here only program start with here 6380. Okay, close this. Now multi-line comment. Now you want to write multi-line comment, means comment more than one line, then use triple question mark for multi-line comment. See here all skin is green, means these are all multi-line. When you want to closing of multi-line statement, then write something, write a program to learn Python. The next line program, then closing multi-line 3 times. This is multi-line comment. These comment not include in output. Firstly file, save, run module. Now you can see these are not included in here. Now move on page number 104, types of control structure. Types of control structure. Now control structure or control statement. In a computer program statement, these are all called statement, generally execute in sequential manner. These are all programs. You all learned all thing sequential statement. अभी तक आपने जो सीखा है वो सब sequential statement में है. Sequential statement in a program are execute in a sequential manner. First statement, after that second statement, now again third and whatsoever. Now second type of statement, conditional statement. Conditional statement depending upon condition, and condition answer always in the form of yes or no, if and if else statement used for conditional statement. Suppose you want to make program for person is voter or not voter. Here voter means person give to vote or not vote. You remember, you already know, when the person age is 18, then person can vote. Then person is less than 18, then person cannot vote. So this is the depending on conditional statement. Here the answer is the yes. Answer is the form of yes or no. Answer is the form of yes or no. Number third, iterative statement. Page number 105. Iterative statement, also known as repeating statement. In chapter number 8, you learn concept of iterative statement. You can repeat number of statement depending upon condition. You can also say this looping statement. There is three name: iterative statement, looping statement, or repeating statement. In page number 106, some program available for conditional statement. So here file, open. Now you want to make program for conditional statement. Now see here how to make this. File, new file. Okay, write program. Age, input, age equal int function, using int function to input. Otherwise this is converted into string value. Int input, enter age of person. Now comma age. Now age of person. Input, enter age of person. This is closing of input. Now closing of int function. Now if, how to use if function? See page number 106. If age greater or equal 18. When you use conditional if statement, if else statement, you must know concept of relation operator. This is greater or equal, this is less than, this is less than, this is greater than, now less or equal, now greater or equal, and this is not equal, sign of exclamation, then equal, this is not equal, and this is equal to operator. Equal to operator, check value is equal or not equal. Here is always different between this. This is assignment operator, this is equal to operator. Now here age greater or equal 18, age greater than 18, then colon symbol, and here write print person is voter else colon symbol print person is not voter या not to have ability to give in vote. So here short not voter. Okay. Now run this program. Firstly save meaningful name voter. Now save. Now run module. Here invalid syntax else now run. Remove this space. Here in awesome error in this program int input is comma age if age greater than equal or 10. In next video you learn concept of conditional statement. Here is some possible error in this program. After removing this error we can learn more thing. Thank you.